Hey everyone, welcome to the Diva Den. I'm really excited you're here today because it's that time again, that time of year when Hillary from Old World Home hosts her once a season $5 Goodwill challenge. And I'm so excited. I always love participating in this. So let's get into the video. Hey everyone, so happy you stopped by. I'm so excited you came because I love participating in this challenge. It's hosted 4 times a year by Hillary from Old World Home, and lots of people participate. So there's going to be a playlist link below to the $5 Goodwill Challenge Summer Edition, and it's always great to see what other people find at their local thrift stores or garage sales. I guess there's going to be some really cool garage sale finds because it's summertime. But it's always fun to see what other people find for $5 or less and they bring into their home. So thank you, Hillary, once again for hosting this wonderful challenge. It's a thrill and an honor to participate. So now I'm going to show you what I found at my local thrift store. I went to my local thrift store. We don't have very many around us, and the weather has been so crappy. It's still pouring rain today. So garage sales are just out of the question. Nobody's having them. I think even if you did, people wouldn't go. The weather is just, it's cold and it's rainy. So I went to my local thrift store and I found 2 items that I think are adorable and perfect to bring into my home for summertime. So the first item is this cute little yellow little bird cage, and you just put a little tea light in it, and I paid $1.99. Might seem a little expensive for this, but you know, it was so cute, and to me it just screamed summer for 2 reasons. Of course, it is yellow, which is sunshine, which I'm hoping we get fairly soon, but it's sunshine and flowers and just bright and cheery. So I thought this would be perfect to put on my front porch on a little table I have out there, just to add some little bit of color to that area. So I'm excited to put that out there. Now the second item I got is going to go in my home. I think that's where I'm going to use it, but it's this cute little birdhouse, and it's just wood with a little galvanized metal top. It has a string, but I think where I want to use it, I'm going to cut the string off, and this one was $2.99. So really $3 and $2. So I came in at like $4.98, so $5 perfectly. But I just love this. Again, it screams summer to me. Little bird house, you know, just a cute little bird feeder. And I just love the shape of it, the size of it, and I have a perfect spot for it in the house. I really like this wood color, and I want, if you saw some of my recent home decorating videos, and I'll leave links to those probably up above and down below, but I've been trying to switch up my home decor a little bit. But the one thing I found, I think why it made it difficult for me to change it up is I have a lot of the same things. I have a lot of glass, I have a lot of ceramic, but I don't have anything with like a different texture on it. So when I saw this, I thought this is perfect to try and introduce some of that texture, try to see if that's what my space is lacking. So here we are in my living room, and this is where I'm thinking of putting my little birdhouse. I recently redid this basket, and I like it. And I think in my last video I asked, you know, for your opinion, what you thought. I'm kind of happy with it, but I'm not. But I'm thinking it needs a different texture in there. So I'm going to take my vase off, which I love. I just have to find a different spot for it. And I'm going to put this guy, I just have another jar to lift everything up upside down, and I'm just going to put it right here, and I think that's going to add the different texture, the different look that I like. So here's a close-up of the way it turned out. I love it. I think that looks really, really pretty, and I think it's exactly the right texture that I needed to break up some of that ceramic that was in there. So here's a look at my front porch. What I have here are 2 little chairs with cushions on them. Really cute. They have the pineapples with the yellow. And then I have a lantern on this table which has blue flowers in to tie into the cushions on my chairs. And they have yellow centers. So I think that little yellow lantern is just going to look really nice here. So I brought out this hanger that actually I use in the fall. It actually has a pumpkin candle on it and I love it. And I wasn't sure if I was going to hang this from it and use it here, or just put this on the table right next to the lantern. But let me know in the comments below if you think it should just sit or if I should hang it. I'll show you both ways. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think it looks cute either way. I'm not sure. I think for now, I'm just going to leave it sitting on the table. Well, that's it for me, folks. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really, really appreciate you spending your time with me. I hope that you enjoyed it. And be sure to check out the playlist for this challenge. It is always a great one. There's lots of people that participate. And as I mentioned at the beginning, it's fascinating to see what people bring into their homes. I am just amazed at what some people find. They find some really great deals for $5 and under. So yeah, I'm anxious to see it. It's such a fun challenge. Thank you once again, Hillary, for hosting this. It's really looked forward to by a lot of us YouTubers. We just can't wait till she announces that the challenge is open. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. And I hope that you'll think about subscribing by hitting that red button below. And it's free. And maybe even hitting the little gray bell beside it. That'll notify you each and every time I upload a video, which I try to do on Wednesdays, except if I'm participating in a challenge, then I usually throw it up on those days. And if you liked this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up and maybe share it with friends and family that you think would enjoy it. And until next time, guys, I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye.
I've been waiting for this, yeah. It's been up on my mind.